If your engine sounds like it's hissing and it sounds kind of like this, most likely the O-rings have shrunk and are bad right at your fuel injectors. I'll show you how to replace them. It's pretty easy. First thing I did was remove this little cover. Next, I'm gonna remove all these connectors on the fuel injector. Each one comes off by pinching down on this little wire here, just like that. Fuel pressure sensor right here comes off. You just pry away this little piece of plastic. Cap off the Schrader valve, push down on that little Schrader valve. Or relieve pressure on this little clip right here. All these O-rings here are very old, they're very hard, and they've shrunk down. So just checking. Nice and quiet. No more hissing sound. Hopefully that was helpful to you. That can throw codes for fuel trim and other things related to fuel pressures. Check that out if you are getting those kind of codes. Check that out if you're hearing that hissing sound. Thanks for watching.